So here are some of the last few packages for video review. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are the latest products from the Olight company. I have tried this one before. This is really good. The ArkPro Lite flashlight, and this is completely new. Let's see, how is it? Oh, it's very well sealed here. Doesn't want to come out. Read me, turn on the red light, off, on, red. Here's the user manual, pretty detailed. They do a great job here explaining everything. Charge, selector, switch mode, pen clip, charge battery level, height brightness level, turn off, turn on, class 1 vision laser mode, class 3R vision laser mode, turn on, turn off the pen tip light, and turn off the red light. Wow, a lot of, oh, 11, there's more. Okay, I'm gonna take a look and play with it a little bit later. But take a look. This is just a wire to charge it. Read me again. Apparently there's a lot of instructions to go with it, but you see a light there. This is actually a pen, as you can see there. It's a tiny light here, but very powerful. We'll try it at night. Wow. Okay, I'll do a full unboxing later. So here I am with these two Olight flashlights. This one we know already. This is the ArkPro, but this is the light version. I mean, I'm working here in the dark on purpose. So same as other models from the same company. They're really good quality. Here's the wire to charge. It's magnetic. So we're gonna do something different here. Oh, I have to take the battery protection out so we can make it work. No, I don't think it's charged. So let's try the pen first that we already put out before when there was more light. So we're gonna use a little bit of this light to help us. So here's a laser beam. It's up here. Now I figured that out. There's a light in the front, in the point. So if you were going to do some notes, you can do it in the dark like this. This is pretty smart actually. But it had another one. I saw it before. Let me see where it is. Oh, there it is on the side. And look how powerful this is. So let's put this one down here. And so this is this box. This is the ArkPro Lite flashlight. And again, let's see. It seems that this one is not charged. We're gonna connect it here for a little bit. Magnetic. You can use USB-C to charge. So let's try here with some of these wires that I had from other products. Okay, there you go. It's charging now. Let's turn this one off and see. Okay. So now this is the Pro Light, and this is my favorite feature, the blue light. Regular light, look how bright this is. A red light for emergencies. And the bright light has different levels. I like the red the best. So it's charging, as you can see here. And I really like the way they did it now with both ways to charge. Let's put this one again up so we can see it. So you can charge USB-C or the magnetic pad. The original models, they only had the magnetic part, and I pointed out that if you had lost this one, you would have no way to charge it. But now, USB-C, as you can see, it's charging now. We're gonna wait for a little bit and we go out, take a little walk maybe. Wow, this is super bright. And that poster is, or actually it's a, not a poster, it's a shower curtain with the Andes. That's Aconcagua on the top. And that right there, the blue, the red dot, the very little one, it's a Portillo, a ski resort in Chile. So 2 different products, and now that I can see better, so the pen is called Olight O'Pen 3 Bright in Light, as we can already demonstrate it there. Turn, the power is here. Wow, it's super bright. And here you have the controls for the power for the laser beam and the other lights. Really nice product. So which one do you like? The Olight O'Pen 3 or the Olight ArkPro Lite? I think I like both. Well, it's your option. Really good Christmas gift if you wanna surprise someone. So I'm gonna wait for this one to charge completely, and I'm gonna go out for a walk in a little bit. So as you can see here, the flashlight is charged. I'm gonna disconnect. We're gonna go outside to test it, but we can try it in here first. Look at that. Wow. There's the blue light again, red light, emergency light, and the flashlight. Wow, this is really bright. So here I am outside my street, and it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to try the light because with all the Christmas lights, streets are pretty well lit. But again, this is the red light, the blue light that outside doesn't do much. But look at the difference here. It really helps. And the cool thing about this Olight, that I can put it on my baseball hat with a clip and just walk around with it. Use it going on your bike at night. Here's the darkest part of the block, and it pretty much illuminates the whole block all the way down there to those signals at the end. Amazing work. The flashing light. So excellent product. Look at this, how dark it is. Now I can see everything, and both hands free.